Hello everyone, how are you all? And this is Meenakshi Chaudhary in front of you. First of all, I welcome you all to the online classes on behalf of Kendriya Vidyalaya Punjab Lines. I am appointed to be your class teacher. Well, this is our first meeting and I hope you all will be fine there at your homes. Vacations over and we are here to learn and enjoy. And let's get ready to make this session an incredible year full of fun and learning. As you all are aware that COVID-19 pandemic caused schools to close throughout India, and we have to continue our study through online classes. My dear students and parents, please contact me with any questions or concerns. Dear parents, in order to best support your child, we will feel glad. And now, let us start our today's session with morning prayer.